Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995, powered by the highly reliable 5.7L Vortec 350 V8 engine, known for its durability and strong performance. With only 157,000 miles, this truck has been well maintained and is equipped with an automatic transmission that provides a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Finished in a classic white exterior paired with a clean tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has an attractive appearance both inside and out. The truck has recently received a fresh oil change and is sitting on a brand new set of tires, so it is fully serviced and ready to hit the road without needing any immediate attention. Whether it's used as a dependable daily driver, a work truck, or for weekend projects, it offers the reliability and capability that the Chevrolet 1500 is known for.
Number 2.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,900. This truck has 123,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior, this pickup runs and drives great and has been well maintained. It comes well equipped with the usual power options, making it a comfortable and practical daily driver. The truck features the desirable LS Decor package, air conditioning, a 60/40 reclining split bench seat, auxiliary front floor mats, and an ETR AM/FM stereo with a compact disc player for added convenience and entertainment. It also rides on 15-inch by 7-inch cast aluminum Argent wheels and is equipped with a 3.42 rear axle ratio, providing a balanced combination of performance and efficiency.
Overall, this Chevrolet S10 is a clean, reliable, and well-equipped compact pickup that's ready for its next owner. Number 3.
1996 Nissan Hardbody, price $4,750. It has 117,000 original miles and is powered by a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a blue exterior with a clean black interior, this pickup has been well maintained by its second owner and remains in excellent overall condition. Everything on the truck is reported to be in proper working order, and it starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives very well, making it a dependable choice for everyday driving or light-duty work. The truck has been kept exceptionally clean inside and out, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It also comes with its original factory wheels, adding to its originality and appeal. A clean and clear title is in hand, making the transfer process straightforward for the next owner.
Number 4.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,450. It has 129,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong 5.9L V8 gasoline engine that produces 250 horsepower, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior and is configured as a two-wheel drive truck with a practical 6-foot bed, making it well-suited for everyday driving, work, or light hauling. The truck has been well maintained and is in solid running condition. It comes with a clean title, has recently passed a smog inspection, and has no fluid leaks or warning lights, giving added confidence in its reliability. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly as it should, while the powerful V8 engine delivers dependable performance and plenty of power when needed. Additional highlights include a brand new set of tires, ice-cold air conditioning for year-round comfort, and fully functional cruise control for a more relaxed driving experience on longer trips.
Number 5.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,900. This truck has been well maintained and is in excellent running condition. It is powered by a dependable 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering the performance and reliability these trucks are known for. With just 150,000 original miles, this gasoline-powered pickup has plenty of life left and has remained all original throughout the years. Finished in a blue exterior with a clean gray interior, it has been well cared for both inside and out, showing pride of ownership. The truck is equipped with a roll-and-lock bed cover for added security and convenience, along with a factory tow package, making it a practical choice for hauling, towing, or everyday use. It also sits on a good set of tires and is ready to hit the road without hesitation. It comes with a clean Texas title and is ready for its next owner.
Number 6.
2003 Chevrolet S10, price $5,995. This truck is a well-preserved, one-owner Texas truck with only 46,000 original miles. It features a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, finished in a white exterior with a tan interior.
The truck is an extended cab, rear-wheel drive model and comes with a clean Texas title.
According to the Carfax report, It has no reported accidents, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a low-mileage, well-maintained pickup. The air conditioning loses refrigerant over time and will likely require a leak repair.
Cosmetically, the truck has some scratches, minor rust around the rear cab area, a dashboard cover over a cracked dashboard, and a small tear in the driver's seat, but overall it remains a solid and dependable classic compact truck. Number 7.
1985 Ford F-150, price $6,500. This truck has only 122,000 original miles and is powered by a dependable 5.0L fuel-injected V8 engine paired with an AOD automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck features a rust-free body with no bondo and comes equipped with ice-cold AC, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. The truck has received extensive maintenance, including new wheels and tires, fuel tank, both fuel pumps, exhaust pipe and catalytic converter, motorcraft distributor, brake booster, master cylinder, battery, starter, fuel injectors, spark plugs and wires, fuel lines, sensors, belts, fluids, filters, headlights, and many other components. It also retains the original plastic under the bench seat from 1985, and the original headlights and parts are included.
Number 8.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,000. This truck has 157,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior and runs on gasoline. The truck has been well maintained and has served its owner reliably as a dependable work truck. The previous owner upgraded to a newer truck but invested significant time and money into maintaining this one.
Recent upgrades include new tires, new brakes, rotors, and calipers, new shocks on all 4 corners, new spark plugs and ignition wires, a new distributor cap, a new EGR valve, and a new gas tank with a new fuel pump. Several other components have also been replaced to keep the truck in excellent running condition. It also comes with a toolbox mounted in the bed, making it even more practical for work or everyday use. Number 9.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. This truck has 145,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior with a brown interior and was originally equipped with premium options, including heated leather captain's chairs. The truck shows the typical Chevrolet rust for its age but continues to run and drive very well. Over the past year, it has received numerous maintenance upgrades, including new tires, brake pads and rotors, front hub assemblies, front and rear shocks, U-joints, spark plugs and wires, fresh fluids throughout, and new valve cover gaskets, making it a dependable and well-maintained pickup.
Number 10.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. It has 238,000 miles and is powered by a reliable diesel engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. Finished in a distinctive yellow exterior with a clean tan interior, this 2-wheel drive long bed offers a classic look along with the practicality needed for everyday driving or light-duty work. The truck runs and drives great, delivering a comfortable and dependable driving experience. It is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning to keep the cabin comfortable in any season, along with a factory 34-gallon fuel tank that provides excellent driving range between fill-ups. With no check engine lights and a solid mechanical condition, this GMC Sierra is ready for its next owner and has plenty of life left to offer.